hesitate to slaughter every
You really shouldn't fall asleep. You look just as beautiful as ever. You have nothing to worry about. This won't hurt. One little bit. I was... 3, 2... Ready or not, here I come. Found you. No, just me. You think you could turn back time? Answer me! No. Do you think you can bring the dead back to life?
No. No!
No! I didn't fucking think so. Did you know that after the heart stops beating, the brain keeps functioning for well over 7 minutes? Huh. We got 6 more minutes to play.
Honey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, Mom.
All right, I'm going to bed.
Okay.
You're my number one. You're my little Nancy.
I set an alarm.
Yes, you did. In your dream. You smell different.
What happened at that preschool? There was a man at the preschool.
He was a gardener, the preschool, and you kids were his life.
What are you drawing? That is so good.
You were his favorite of all.
You know what? I got some other drawings. And they're like really bad drawings. Maybe you can help me fix them?
And then we started to notice things.
Wait!
Stop!
Wake up! You're bleeding.
This might sting a bit. Okay, he brought us here for a reason.
This is definitely his room.
You can keep a secret? You can't save her! Tag. You're it. Your girlfriend's here. I'll be right back. Nancy, now that you got me, what game do you want to play next? Ooh, sounds like fun. It's a little fast for me. How about we hang first?
No, it's not real.
It's real. I'm real. How's this for a wet
Couldn't wake me up.
This dress was always one of my favorites. Of course you do. Your memories are what fuels me. Your mouth says no, but your body... Look at me! Look what you did to me. Are you having fun? You're in my world, and you can't ever leave. Oh, that's music to my ears.
I want to wake up!
Oh, you can't wake up. I had to keep you awake long enough, so when you finally slept, you'd never wake up again. We're gonna be in here a long time. You really think your boyfriend could wake you up? I'm your boyfriend now. Sweet dreams. Nice try. Now why don't you just fucking die?
It hurts, doesn't it?
I'm just glad you're safe.